So this is the ROK Home Mandolin Vegetable Slicer, multifunctional vegetable slicer shredder with a container, wave cutter for potato, carrot, zucchini, onion. This is an essential kitchen gadget. If you like to grate some cheese, grate some carrots, slice some potatoes, this is gonna be so much easier than anything else you've ever used. There are all these different attachments that you can use, like a regular blade, a grinder, a cheese grater, another blade, different size blades, so you can have different lengths, so smaller slices or thicker slices there. You also have this one, which is a coarse grating blade and a shredding blade, so like for carrots and things like that. Now here's how it works. You have these different attachments. You're gonna pop them in this spot right here, depending on which one you want to use, and you're gonna take this thing right here, this topper here, and you pull it up, throw your cheese block, right? Throw a cheese block in there, and then you're going to just kind of bring it up and down on this to grate your cheese. It's gonna all go into this container at the bottom, giving you lots of space there. So it's not gonna fall out on the floor. It's great for that. It's greater than great, actually. And so you can get really low to it and get fine cuts just so smoothly. It's so well thought of. They thought of everything on this thing. It's so good, so handy for anyone in the kitchen. And also it does come with this right here. Like if you wanted to get like zoodles or something, you have this little blade up here. It's almost like an old school pencil sharpener. You have this you can put on there and then kind of twist and get those to fall out. And you have some other little, so you can get it cut or sliced even more finely. So that is a great little addition to that, and it comes with a brush to help clean out these spots to get in those hard to reach spots as well, so you can make sure it's all clean, all good. Really high quality. This is a kitchen essential. It makes cooking so much easier, more fun too. It's kind of fun. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.